I'm back today with another beat. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Croatia trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Today, I'm going to be making Croatia trap beat to details. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm still going to explain how to launch your FL Studio. When launching your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this on your FL Studio like this, right click and press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. I'm just going to put my cursor here on my FL Studio which I've already launched and click like this and open my FL Studio. I will start making Croatia trap beat. I'm going to click on add. Today I will be using this plugin called Simpson. I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold the left click button on my mouse, turn my mouse wheel to channel 5, and that's okay. I'll put my cursor here on the Simpson plugin, right click on my mouse and press open. This is my piano roll. I'll start programming my Croatia trap beat. Now let's go. I'll first of all program my first two bars. This is my bar 1, my bar 2. This bar 1 here is subdivided. We are going to count the bars again. This is my bar 1, bar 2. We are going to count the bars in bar 1. This is number 1 bar, which is like this. Number 2 bar, which is like this. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8 bars. So I'm going to erase it now. As you can see, we have counted bars. This is my bar 1, which is subdivided into 8 bars. And you can see count the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 bars. I'm just going to program the first and the second, then Control B on my keyboard and copy it to bars number 8. Let's go. I'm a Croatia trap beat today. Let's program the Croatia trap beat today. As you can see, this is my 4 bars. I'll program my 4 bars for my Croatia trap beat. Then I'm going to like spice it up here. After doing so, I'll put my cursor right at the ending of the number 4 bars, left click and hold the left click button, highlight to the left like this and press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. As you can see, my beat have reached bar number 8. The next step is I'm going to click on add here and click on both bars. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6, right click and press piano roll. This is going to be the bass melodies. I'm just going to align it without counting the sub bars. I'm just going to align it right up to the end of bar 1, which is I've not had it been aligning like this. Had it been aligning like this, it could have still count like a bar, which is in bar 1, but this is my 1 bar aligning. So I'm just going to continue. Like this. This is my bass melodies. Very simple. That's it. And that's okay. On my hi-hat, the simple step today I'm going to show you is right click and just click fill each channel. Now right click again and press piano roll. Press Ctrl and A to pitch it up. I mean Ctrl A, highlight it, Ctrl and up to pitch the note up. Good. On my snare here, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Or at the starting of my 1 bar, I'm putting my snare here. At the ending of each bars, I'm putting my snare. That's it. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare. Good. And that's okay. We are going now to the kick. This is my kick here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Put it to channel 1. Right click and press piano roll. Today I'm going to be putting my kick here inside the bars, which I'm going to be using. You can see the rows and columns. So inside the rows like this, these are the rows, the column. That's it here like this. I'm going to start programming my kick inside the rows and the columns, which are like this. Inside the bars, I'm putting my kick. These are bar 5. I'm putting my kick. Right up to number 8 bars, I'm putting my kick. That's it. Inside my kick, I'm going to click on my kick. Click on this icon. Turn the bow knob up to this level to 30%. And that's okay. I'll start mixing my beat now. My number 5 channel, I'll click on slot 1 and click on the fruity limiter. These are the plugin you can use to mix your beat. On slot 2, I'm going to add a fruity compressor. Make sure you master this plugin so that you can use to mix your beat and even mix your vocals. On slot 3, I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2, which is like this. On slot 4, I'm going to add a fruity filter. On number 6 channel, which is here, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. That's it. On slot 2, I'm going to add a frequency splitter. Let's continue. On my hi-hat, which is in channel 3, I'm going to click on slot 1 here and add a sound goodnizer. Let's go to the swapping of left and right channels. I'm just going to click here on this icon that I'm clicking. I'm swapping left and right. I'm going to swap all of the channels. And then here is to reverse the polarity. So I'll just click and reverse the polarities like this. Like this. The next step is I'll click here, view playlist, which is here. I'll click here, pattern 1. I'm going to right click and click here, split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FL Studio. I'm going to click on my kick, click back on my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click back into my playlist, click on my snare and click back into my playlist, click on my first melody, click back into my playlist, click on my boo bars, click back into my playlist. I'm going to left click, highlight to the left and press Ctrl and B several times, right up to number 40 bars into my playlist. Now I'm going to remove this kick, remove this hi-hat, remove this snare to allow the space for an intro. After doing so, I'm going to put my cursor again, left click, highlight it to the left and press Ctrl and B to extend my beat up to 79 bars into my playlist. But you can extend it however you want. I'm going to click back on my first melody and click into my outro, click back into my boo bars and click back into my outro. I'm going to make sure I'll remove the hi-hat, I'll remove the snare to create a different bounce. As if you notice here, there is no kick, no hi-hat, no snare, only the melodies, which is creating different bounce here. And when the beat reaches here at 25 to 33, a different bounce. At 65 to 73, a different bounce. Okay, let's continue. Today I'm going to explain more on automation on my hi-hat and on my snare. I'm going to add an automation on my number 3 channel. I'm going to right click and create automation clip. On number 4 channel, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. That's it. Good. Now let's listen to the Croatia beat from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow in another video. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished making my Croatia beat. See you next time in another video, and don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified immediately. Thank you so much.